Today, we're adding a fun and creative circular slices transition to your video. This transition slices your screen in a circular motion, creating a spinning segmented switch between clips. Here's how to use it. First, make sure you have at least 2 clips on your timeline. Next, tap the white square icon between your clips to open up the transition menu. Now scroll over to the slices section. In here, look for the circular slices option. It stands out with a circular spin that slices the video into segments as it transitions. Tap on it to preview the effect. You'll also see a duration slider. Drag this to set how fast or slow the transition plays. Shorter durations will make it sharp and snappy, while longer ones give it more visual flair. Once you're happy with the look, hit the check mark and you're done. You've successfully added a circular slices transition to your video. It's perfect for giving your edits a cool, modern touch. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more InShot tutorials.